Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, it is Wear Test Wednesday, and today we are testing out the Cica Clearing BB Cream from Purito. Now, I have mine in the old packaging, however, it is not expired. The expiration date is June of 2026, so we have not expired yet. But this is what the old packaging looks like, and this is what the new packaging looks like. I have mine in 21 light beige. It comes in 6 shades. It is a Korean beauty product, so they normally have limited shades. Doesn't mean they shouldn't work on those shades or work on their shade range, but yeah. Alright, this retails for $14 for 30 mils or 1 ounce. It is on sale for $9.10 on Yes Style. I will link that below. That link is affiliated, so I do make a small commission off of it, and you can always tell if what I have linked is affiliated because it's noted with 2 asterisks. Okay, so editor's note, fitted with SPF 30 PA+++. This BB cream conceals enlarged pores and other skin imperfections while protecting skin against the sun's rays. Rich in Korea-sourced Centella asiatica extract plus panthenol and niacinamide, the formula relieves irritation while moisturizing and brightening skin. BB cream is proven to be hypoallergenic. It is cruelty-free, conceals dark circles and blurs imperfections and redness without needing multiple layers. Korean Centella asiatica rapidly soothes skin and relieves redness. Panthenol cares skin barrier, and niacinamide brightens the skin. Hypoallergenic test completed and sensitive skin suitability test completed for every skin. Alright, and again, they have changed their name from Purito to Purito Soul. So that's S-E-O-U-L, Soul. Wonder Relief Centella BB Cream. And instead of the Cica, because Cica and Centella asiatica are the same thing. And they're made from tiger grass. And tiger grass, tigers roll around in it when they have wounds, and it helps to heal their wounds faster. So I'm expecting this to be pretty healing. Alright, let's put the phone away. Again, I have mine in 21 light beige. Hopefully it matches better than this. And I did find my little palette that Carla sent me. Just going to dispense a little onto the palette, and it looks actually a lot darker than what it is in what it shows. This is the consistency. Say hello to yourselves. Alright. For this side of my face, I have a brand new Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, dampened. And for this side of my face, I have the BK Beauty 101 brush. I'm going to prime with my Project Pan primer, which is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip primer. It's just a little guy, so it should not be that hard to use up. Let's see how we fare with the sponge side. This is dark, so.
Nighttime drives, you're no longer with me in the eyes. I'll be okay. I'll be just fine. Just please don't rain today. All the pictures left on dresses.
All right, we are getting really good redness cancellation. It's very gray. We're gonna see what we can do with the brush side.
Two lost people in a world where we wish to not exist. Please don't rain today, I just can't wait. Can't stay in bed and try to sleep it all away. Please don't rain today.
We do have a lot more coverage on the brush side, but I do like the finish of the sponge way better, so we're just gonna...
Nighttime dries, you no longer look me in the eyes. No kiss goodbye, no more bright and shining lights. My colors dim when I'm with him. I'm not the same I was before. I'll be okay.
All right, so we are looking pretty good at the mirror that is conversational distance. I have looked at it close up in the 10x mirror, and that you can't hide any of your flaws from a 10x mirror. It's not possible. It looks like my skin, but better. I hope it stays that way. Probably gonna have to set it down. It is a little tacky still. Let me zoom you in, and then you can see what I'm looking at. It is not clinging to any dry skin, which I know I have. It's not crusting around my mouth. It's not crawling into any lines. It's looking good. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. We're gonna go off. We're gonna put on the rest of our face, and I'll be back to let you know how to apply it. All right, let's go over the makeup really quickly. Basically, I just used all the stuff in my project pan. So for my bronzer, I used the Fenty Matchstick in Suede. And for my blush, I used the ABH blush stick in Pink Dahlia. For highlighter, I used the Lethal Cosmetics highlighter in Isotope. For my powder, I used the Kosas Cloud Set in Feathery. For my tightline, I used the Avon True Color Glimmer Sticks in Blackest Night. For my waterline, I used the ColourPop Raw Beauty Christie in Marigold. Change the formula back, please. Alright, for my brows, I used the AOA Slim Brow in Dark Brown. For my mascara, I used the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. For my lip liner, I used the Beauty For Real Define Lip Liner in Neutral Deep. And then for my lip, I used the Balm Meet Matte Hues in Charming. My setting spray was the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. My eye look was a Live Palette Picker Tuesday. They are only about an hour long if you would like to go back and check them out. For my eye primer, I used the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And again, my primer was the Milk Hydro Grip. Alright, so the makeup has applied quite nicely. It's looking good still. So the makeup application didn't disrupt anything, and it has settled into my skin very nicely, and to me it looks great. So I am hoping that it stays this way, but we shall find out. I will come back when I go to pick up my niece and let you see what it looks like in natural lighting. Alright, I'll see you then. Alright, so I in fact did not do all the things because I did my live and then I decided it was nap time, so I took a nap. But this has survived quite nicely through nap time. I have been wiping my nose, but there is just the smallest bit of loss of coverage around here, around my nose. But honestly, not really anywhere else, so. That's my lip liner. Like, what is on here? That's my lip liner. I did put my sunglasses on, and there's a little bit of disturbance on the sides of my nose. But that's kind of expected. But it's not too bad. It's just a little tiny mark. And I seem to be able to, tap it back into place. So I think we might have another winner. I keep looking for things wrong with it, but it's just really pretty. And it's a good thing too, because I totally forgot. My niece has a concert at the school tonight. So we get to go home. I get to cook really quickly. And then I couldn't take her to the concert again. They call it the Fun and Foolish concert. It's April 1st, so April Fool's Day. But like I said, it's looking real good so far. So, and I still didn't paint my nails. Gotta paint my nails. Cheese and rice. All right, I'm gonna hop up here. I will come back later on tonight and let you know how it has worn. So we're gonna cross our fingers because so far this is looking real pretty. We have had some good luck with some BB creams lately, and I'm extremely happy about it. So I'm gonna cross our fingers, and this one's just gonna go just as well. It is. We're putting that into the universe. All right. I'll see you in a few. All right. So it is 9:14, which makes this about 12 hours. It's looked very pretty all day. I don't really have any complaints. I mean, I have lost coverage on my nose and on my chin. That's normal for that to happen. I did reapply my lipstick because we had my niece's concert to go to this evening. So let me zoom you in and you can see how this is looking. All right. As you can see, we are looking pretty good. A little bit of lost coverage on the nose and on the nostrils. It's a little bit of gathering here. But other than that, it looks pretty good. My blush and bronzer and highlight are still going strong. I like this a lot. It does not feel tight or itchy or anything like that. And I think it looks very nice on my skin. So for the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream, it's going to be a big fat yes for me. Like, I can't say I'm surprised. Usually the Korean makeup I do better with, or it does better with me. I'm not really sure which it is, or maybe it's both. But I will link the current version of this in the description box. It is affiliated. The link is affiliated. I do have a code with Yes Style. And so if you use the link in my code, then I do make a small commission from it. And I do thank you because make money yet on YouTube. So, you know, using my code is usually the best way to support my channel, if you so choose to do so. I really greatly appreciate it. Alright, so I hope that helps somebody. I think I'm going to get on to Yes Style and see if I can find some more Korean foundations, because I'm doing pretty good with these. We do like a good foundation around here, BB cream or otherwise. So, I don't know if I said this, but it does say vegan on the back. Put it in front of your face so folks see vegan. I don't know what else it says, but it does say vegan. That I can read. Anyways, I hope that helps somebody. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.